Their laughter echoed in his ears for days. It haunted him, it hurt him, but it didn't break him. Because sometimes the people who laugh at you become the reason you rise stronger than ever before. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. This is a story about a young man. Let's call him Ali. Ali was learning English. He practiced every day. He tried his best, but his English was broken. His grammar had mistakes. His pronunciation was different. One day, Ali had to give a presentation in English in front of his classmates, in front of his teacher. He was nervous, but he wanted to try. He stood in front of the class. He took a deep breath, and he began speaking. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will talk about dreams. His voice was shaking. His sentences were not perfect. We all having dreams. Big dreams, small dreams. Dreams are important. And then it happened. Some students started giggling, then laughing. They whispered to each other. They pointed at him. They mocked his accent, his mistakes. Ali's face turned red. His hands started trembling. He wanted to run away. He wanted to disappear. But he didn't. He finished his presentation. With tears in his eyes, he finished. When he sat down, he felt broken, humiliated. He thought, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I should just give up. That night, he couldn't sleep. The laughter kept replaying in his mind. He felt angry, sad, defeated. But then something changed. He remembered why he started learning English. He remembered his dreams, his goals, his future. He realized something powerful. Those people who laughed, they were not better than him. They were just comfortable. They never tried something difficult. They never risked failure. But Ali, he had the courage to try. He had the bravery to speak. Yes, his English was broken, but at least he was trying to build it. That realization changed everything. He decided that their laughter would not stop him. It would fuel him. It would make him stronger. The next day, Ali created a new plan, a serious plan. He would practice English every single day until he became confident. He started with mirror practice. Every morning he stood in front of his mirror and spoke for 15 minutes. Good morning, I am Ali. I am learning English. People laughed at me, but I will not quit. I will improve. I will succeed. He practiced pronunciation. He recorded his voice and listened to it. He identified his mistakes and corrected them. He also found English videos online, motivational speakers, teachers. He shadowed them. He repeated their sentences exactly. You are capable. You are strong. Don't let anyone stop you. His daily routine became morning, 15 minutes mirror practice. Afternoon, 20 minutes shadowing videos. Evening, 15 minutes reading out loud. Night, recording and reviewing his progress. Every single day, without fail. He also changed his mindset. Instead of being ashamed of mistakes, he welcomed them. Each mistake was a lesson. Each error was progress. 3 months later, Ali volunteered to give another presentation. The same classmates were there. Some of them smirked, expecting the same broken English. But this time was different. Ali stood confidently. He spoke clearly. His English wasn't perfect, but it was much better, much stronger. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about perseverance. 3 months ago, I stood here and many of you laughed. That laughter hurt me, but it also taught me something. It taught me that people will always doubt you, but you should never doubt yourself. The room was silent. Everyone was listening. His classmates looked surprised. His teacher smiled proudly. When he finished, someone started clapping, then another, then the whole class. Even the students who had laughed before were clapping. After class, one of them came to Ali. I'm sorry I laughed. You've improved so much. How did you do it? Ali smiled. I practiced every day, and I used your laughter as motivation. Today, Ali speaks English confidently. He's not perfect, but he's fluent, he's brave, he's successful. And he wants you to know something. If people laugh at your English, don't stop, don't hide, don't quit. Use their laughter as fuel. Let it motivate you. Let it push you to practice harder. Because the same people who laugh at you today will respect you tomorrow when they see your progress, when they see your dedication, when they see your success. Your broken English today is the foundation of your fluent English tomorrow. Every mistake you make is a step forward. So speak, make mistakes, get laughed at if you must, but don't you dare quit. Stand in front of your mirror today, speak for 10 minutes about anything, just speak. Tomorrow, do it again, and the next day, and the next. In 3 months, you won't recognize your own voice. You'll be amazed at your progress. Remember, they laughed at his broken English, but they applauded his improved English. Your turn will come too. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep speaking. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and turn their laughter into your strength, because you are not learning English for them. You're learning it for yourself, for your dreams, for your future. Speak today, improve daily, succeed eventually. Their laughter is temporary. Your success is permanent. Start now.